Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable EV charging with SemaConnect network accounts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable EV charging with SemaConnect network accounts, start by visiting the SemaConnect website. Once on the home page, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on this button to access the login page. If you don't have an account, locate the create account option and click on it. Fill in the required information, which typically includes your name, email address, and password. After entering your details, read and accept the terms and conditions. Submit the form to create your account. Check your email for a verification message from SemaConnect. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Now return to the SemaConnect login page and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Here, you will need to add your payment information for charging sessions. Locate the Payment section and input your preferred payment method. Ensure that all information is correct and save your changes. Next, go to the Charging Locations tab to find nearby charging stations. You can filter the results based on distance or availability. Select a station that suits your needs and take note of its location. To start a charging session, either use the SemaConnect app or the charging station's interface. If using the app, tap the Start Charging button after selecting the station. Follow any prompts to complete the session initiation. If using the station directly, enter your account credentials or scan your card. After this, you can plug in your EV and the charging will commence. Monitor the charging status through the app or station display. Once the desired charge level is reached, you can stop the session. Unplug your vehicle and ensure you take your charging card with you. Review your charging history and expenses in your account dashboard. This will help you keep track of your charging sessions over time. Now you are ready to enable EV charging with your SemaConnect network account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.